Hey there, good morning, fearless people. I'm doing this video here on classified ads. So, classified ads are something that I've loved for direct response marketing, for the top tier industry that I've been involved in for 10 years. So, I'm going to just go through this a little bit here. Let me make sure I'm positioned correctly here. All right, so the site, and you can go to Google, of course, to find out the best top sites, but there's actually more sites than just Craigslist. Backpage is no longer, so this site, this resource is going to have to do some updating right here because Backpage, they have it listed as a classified site. But anyway, nonetheless, you don't have to pay attention to that. Most of the top, there's actually 31 websites in the United States, and so with a business opportunity based in the U.S., you can post even if you're out of the states, you can actually post on these websites. So most of the time, I do outsourcing for my classified ads, but I do like to get the initial ones up myself and then go from there. So this video hopefully will help you, and I'll post it on YouTube. I'll post this video. By the way, subscribe. Make sure you hit subscribe and then that little alarm so that you get my video updates. This is day 3 of my 30-day blitz value videos that I'm going to be doing in the month of June. So anyway, with that being said, let's get started. So OLX is another one of my favorites. It's actually similar to Craigslist. So you can just go through this. I'm not going to go through each one because obviously it would be it would not be advantageous for you or myself to go through these. But I'll give you some examples. Okay, some examples of some existing ads. This is actually called classifiedads.com. And let me see if I can't show you the ad. I was thinking I had an ad. Oh, that's my keto list. If you don't know, I'm actually on a unstoppable journey, and I'm on day 3 of keto as well. I'm doing 2 things. I'm doing a video blitz for 30 days, and I'm also doing a keto for the next 6 weeks, and to lose the last 20 pounds that I've lost 100 and some pounds in my journey. And I'm able to do that because of my high ticket business and have the time. So anyway, I got my handy dandy McDonald's coffee with the keto recipe in it. All right, so eBay classified ads. Now this is an interesting one. eBay is obviously something where you can go and sell stuff, personal items and things like that. You can also do a free ad posting if you're selling services and for jobs. Now for a home-based business, I'll be completely honest with you, I have some tweaking to do for my eBay classified ads, so I will make sure that I do an update when I get that done. Oodle, that is another really cool classified ad service. And OLX, now like I said, this is just a way to drive traffic, okay, to your capture page. So what you're going to do is you're going to always have 3 components to your classified ads. You're going to have a title, okay? It's going to literally be an eye grabber or eye-catching title. And then within that ad, it's going to have 3 basic parts. It's going to have where you are, sorry, I'm getting a Skype. You're going to have 3 different parts. You're going to have, what is it that I can do for you? This is what we got, and then this is what you do next. So your call to action does not have your contact information, does not have your personal cell phone number. You may need to have that in order to place the ad, but as far as the response and what you want people to respond to is you want people to opt into your capture page. That's all you're doing. That's the whole reason behind creating a classified ad. Now, you can get this done in 15-20 minutes. It just depends on how many places you want to advertise. Again, you can search on Fiverr. There's people that will outsource. You can always hire 1, 2, 3 employee. You can make them, you can make this part of their routine for you when you start outsourcing. Classified ads, Adland Pro. That's a really good one. I actually forgot about it. But this site here, if you just Google it and put in there, the top classified ads, you're going to see this site actually pop up, and you'll be able to scroll through exactly what I'm doing. Now, if you want to learn how and what business opportunity or cash flowing system I'm using in order to make six figures, multiple six figures a year, 5 figures a month, then you'll want to click the link below. Go to dailypaystartshere.com, and you'll be able to get that information. So this is cool. Knowing that Arizona has a actual classified ad. Whoops, it's saying that it's on down. It's saying that it's down, temporarily unavailable. I did not even know about this one, so I guess I'm not missing out. Even if it is down, person, I guess, has taken it offline. So anyway, no worries, no big deal. Again, like I said, back page it's pretty tough. Now there's actually automated software, and that's essentially what this blog I think is promoting. Penny Saver USA. This is pretty cool. Penny Saver USA. Let's see if this one's up. PennySaverUSA.com. Yeah, that's cool. So you can actually put a classified ad on Penny Saver, and I will be doing this today. In fact, I'll be doing this as soon as this video is completed. I will be going there and placing my ad. So this is all I do, is I just simply, get exposure to my website. When people ask me what do I do, well, I'm a marketing consultant. I'm not a coach, because a coach used to do it. I'm actually a mentor. Okay, so I'm a mentor and marketing consultant, and I teach my team how to duplicate, how to get traffic to their website. That's what it boils down to, eyeballs to your website, and that's it. So you can build your list this way. You can get sales and top income coming in by just doing classified ads. Some people make a living on just classified ads. In fact, some people make a living just with YouTube alone. I just was listening to another video the other day when I was starting my 30-day blitz, my YouTube video blitz. There are people that literally make a living just literally on YouTube. And I'm not talking just about their ads. You know how those ads pop up? I don't have any of those on mine. But their Google ads, will actually pop up, and they make a living from that. And I know my son follows many, many successful YouTubers. But I do this for my subscribers, and I also do this, to generate leads. So if you're listening to this still, then obviously I want you to opt into my website. And that's, again, what I teach people is strategies on how to get internet leads, leads coming into your sales funnel. And it's really, really awesome to get signups and sales without speaking to anybody. So, all right. So, again, click the link below. I will be posting this on my YouTube channel, my Facebook fan page, and all around Facebook. And I will look forward to working with you real soon.